Hi guys! Welcome to Glitter and Omnom. I am Annette if you are new here. Today, I'm not doing anything makeup related, but it is glitter related. That's right, we are in my kitchen and I am preheating my oven right now because we are going to be making edible glitter. This is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I want to see if it works. So, what this recipe calls for is half a cup of sugar split into 2 bowls, a baking pan, which we have, and food coloring. So I have 4 different colors of food coloring, and I don't really want to go too crazy in case this doesn't work, so I'm only going to be doing a 1/4 cup and splitting it amongst the 4. So like I said, my oven's already preheating. I've got it going for 350 degrees. I'm gonna put you at a different angle and we're gonna start mixing this stuff. So I'm gonna start by measuring sugar into my cups. Now we're going to add our food coloring and mix that all together. So clearly mixing is going to take the longest, and it says it's best to bake this flat, laying flat. So I'm going to, you only have to bake these for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna bake one while I mix the other. So that's the green laid out all nice and flat. We are going to set a timer for 10 minutes and to throw this baby in the oven. Hello, that is green. Next color. Red is mixed, red or pink, whatever that's supposed to be. I'm just using an assortment of pans for these. So let's get our pink in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it didn't totally mix. So there is our red, pink, glitter, sugar, soon to be glitter, in the pan. I'm gonna put this aside and mix the next one. Purple! Here's our purple baby. It's so blue. I think this one's my favorite. Blue! Yes, the blue one is by far my favorite. It's like Cookie Monster blue. All right, our timer went off. It is the moment of truth. Here's our green sugar, and it does not look much different, but we gotta let it cool. So we're gonna put this here. Hello, camera. Hello. Not super impressive right out of the oven. It does kind of look shinier if my camera would focus. Hello. Anyways, I'll come back when these are all cooked and cooled and we will check out our homemade edible glitter. So quick check-in. Once it's cooled, you definitely have to break it up. But it definitely does look much more sparkly and it has the crunchy consistency of sprinkles. So basically, it's not really glitter you're making. You're just kind of making sprinkles. All right, we're back. We have some cooked, cooled, and crumbled up glitter here. So it's definitely more sparkly looking than it was before we baked it. And it's definitely pretty. I wouldn't quite call it glitter necessarily, but we definitely made some good solid sprinkles here. Like this would definitely look like glitter sprinkled over a cake. So before I get these in their respective containers and pack them up, I'm gonna put them all in this little clear container here so that we can get a good look at them. It wouldn't be complete if I didn't mix some of these glitters. Look how amazing that is. I'm using a fondue fork, because why not? It's a party in there. This looks like when you'd get to like the bottom of a box of Trix cereal. Alrighty guys, that was it for making the edible glitter. I am really glad it turned out, and I am super excited to, should I tell you? I've got another Omnom video in the works. I'm going to be making unicorn poops. And we're gonna top them with edible glitter. So stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you're planning on making your own edible glitter. If you've ever done this before, let me know how yours turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so when we get to the unicorn poops, you won't miss that. See you in the next video.